In this episode of DevKit Weekly, we are talking about the Pantherrun Pepper open source FPGA platform. Engineers, developers, and friends, welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly, the show where we talk about our favorite and most impressive dev kits throughout the entire industry. I'm coming to you in this very special episode right from the show floor at Embedded World 2025 in our brand new embedded computing design Dev Zone. I'm Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief and your host, and in this episode of DevKit Weekly, we are talking about the Pantherrun Pepper open source FPGA platform. That is just one of the many dev kits that we are looking at in this year's Dev Zone, our inaugural one. The Pantherrun Pepper open source FPGA platform is an FPGA-based open source platform for AI, secure networking, and high-speed data processing, and you've got to check out all the details on it in the description down below. Thank you so much for joining us for this very quick live episode of DevKit Weekly. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video. Don't miss any of our videos here on the channel because we've got news coming to you in our In Case You Missed It weekly news feature. We've got our deep dives on embedded toolbox into software platforms. We've got DevKit Weekly and many other shows, so make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you follow us on LinkedIn for our weekly In Case You Missed It Embedded Insights newsletter and all our other content. Make sure that you visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need in the embedded space. I have been Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief and your host. Thank you for watching DevKit Weekly, and we'll catch you next time.